Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of NFTs with XDC, a next generation NFT marketplace powered by the XDC Network. If you are into the NFTs or just getting started, this is the place for you. Let's explore XDC together and see how it makes buying, selling, and earning with NFT easy and fun. Stick around because I will also show how you to use some cool features step by step. Let's get started. So here we are on the XDC website. Right off the bat, you can see various sections like a new, bestseller, drop, and categories. XDCC is all about keeping things simple and engaging for users. They even have a creator staking wizard where creator can stake their NFTs and earn rewards. One important update for XDC users, there's a smart contract migration happening. If you have listed NFTs, you will see withdraw button next to them. Make sure to click it so your NFT smoothly transition to the new contract. This is an upgrade to enhance the platform's functionality, so don't miss the step. Next up, XDCC has introduced NFT staking. If you are looking for a way to earn steady rewards with your NFTs, this feature is worth checking out. You can stake your NFTs and generate a passive income over a time. Pretty cool, right? Yes. XDC runs on the XDC network, a high performance blockchain known for its low transaction fees, fast processing fees, and energy efficiency. Unlike many traditional NFT platforms that suffer from high gas fees, XDC Network ensures that transitions on XDC are seamless and cost efficient. This makes it easier for artists, collectors, and traders to mint, buy, and sell NFT without worrying about excessive cost. XDC categories NFTs into different types to make browsing easier. You can search for newly minted NFTs, trending collection, and promoted items. This is great for both collectors and investors looking for the next big things. If you are an artist or a creator, XDC make it easy to mint and list your NFTs. You just need to upload your artwork, set a price, and your NFT is ready to be sold. The interface is user friendly, so even if you are new, you won't have any issue. Now let's take a closer look at how to create an NFT on XDC. You have three options. Create a single NFT, create a multiple NFTs, or bulk minting. You can upload your file in a JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, MP4 or MOV form. Next, you will need to enter the details like name of your NFT, choose or create a collection, select a category such as art, music, sport, gaming, etc. Write a description, share the story or inspiration behind your NFT, then set a royalty percent between 0 to 20%, properties, optional attributes like gender, rarity, etc. Then unlockable content, bonus digital asset for buyers. Once everything is set, you can put your NFTs on sale instantly and hit create. What makes XDC special is its focus on community. It's not just a marketplace, it's space where user can share their thoughts, ask questions, and stay updated on NFTs drops and insider information. If you want to stay in the loop, you don't forget to sign up with your email. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comment what you think about SDC or if you have any question. See you in the next video.